3 men have been charged in connection with the Falmouth church murder.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, detectives assigned to the Falmouth CIB have charged 3 men in connection with the shooting death of 51-year-old Andrea Lowe-Garwood, a bank manager of Stonebrook Manor in Falmouth, Trelawny. Those arrested are 23-year-old Leon Hines, a shopkeeper of Rosides, Montego Bay, St. James, who is charged with murder, illegal possession of firearm, accessory before the fact, accessory after the fact, and conspiracy to commit murder. Mrs. Garwood's stepson, 29-year-old Javon Garwood, otherwise called Trelawny, who is charged with murder and conspiracy to commit murder. Dwight Bingham, who is charged with murder and illegal possession of firearm. Their court dates are being finalized. Now, according to police reports, about 10:30 a.m. on Sunday the 31st of January, Mrs. Lowe-Garwood was in a worship session at the Agape Christian Fellowship Church in Falmouth, when a man posing as a member of the congregation walked over to her and shot her several times to the upper body. She was taken to hospital where she died while undergoing treatment. The police say it was discovered that Hines had previously conspired with Garwood and Bingham to kill the woman. They say Hines allegedly drove a white Toyota Allian motor car, transporting Bingham to the church, where Bingham shot and killed Mrs. Garwood. He then fled the church and went into the car that was being driven by Hines as they made good their escape. Bingham reportedly ran, leaving his cell phone behind, which turned out to be a key piece of evidence that was used to make a swift breakthrough in the case. The police had reported that the attack stemmed from a family dispute over property.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!